back to a new vlog. So being that it's mid-May right now, spring is almost over because May is like the last month of spring, and I realized that I haven't really been taking advantage, romanticizing spring whatsoever. So that's what this vlog is going to be. It's going to be me just like enjoying the last bit of spring and having some spring days and really just romanticizing this season before summer comes. So it's actually like 95 degrees outside right now, so like technically like summer has kind of come in Florida, but just based on like the months and everything, it's still spring. So I just used the e.l.f. tinted sunscreen primer, and now I'm just going to go in with the e.l.f. clear brow gel. So I apologize for my lack of posting recently. I think it's literally been like 2 weeks since I posted, and probably 3 once this video goes up, so I'm so sorry for that. I hate that it's been that long since I posted a video. It literally makes me like ill. I had 2 videos filmed, and then while I was editing them, I realized that I effing hated them, so then they got discarded, and then I started filming a video the other day. Like, I literally tried filming this exact video, and then my SD card stopped being able to be read by my camera, and then I couldn't access any of the footage anymore that I had already filmed. So then I had to order a new SD card, and that's what this is. Oh my god, my eyebrows need serious help. I need to like go get my eyebrows waxed or something. Can you see that? They're like really, really bad. There's just like too much hair. I don't know. I'm reading with my dress unbuttoned, screaming for daddy I love. And now I am just gonna curl my eyelashes. And then lastly, I just used this Prisma gloss from Armani Beauty, and that is my whole no makeup look. And I'm already in the outfit that I'm gonna wear today, so let me give you a little outfit of the day. Okay, so I have this blue and white tank top from Target, so cute, and then these dark denim shorts also from Target. I have a whole like spring Target haul to give you guys later, so expect that. Now that I'm all ready, I want to go outside. I've literally spent like 0 time outside this month so far, and I'm gonna be reading on my new Kindle. I literally just got this like 2-3 days ago. I'm effing loving it so much. Like I never thought that I would like be a Kindle girly because I love paperbacks so much. I just have like these stickers on it. Here, I'll show you. Okay, so I have the Friends Cast drinking little milkshakes up here, and then I have a little jar with books in it that says reading is my therapy, and then these little movie tickets. I think I've seen this film before and I didn't like the ending, from Exile by Taylor Swift. And then I have a 1989 sticker, and then Rachel, Monica, Phoebe, Joey, Chandler, Ross. I didn't stick them to the actual Kindle so that I could like switch them up and stuff, so like they're just like sitting like on my Kindle, and then I put my clear case on top of it. And yeah, so I'm loving this Kindle so much. I am so happy that I made this investment. It's been something that I've been wanting for like a few months, but like because it is such an investment, I like waited, and then it turned out to be on sale when I got it. So instead of $150, it was $115. So I'm like, perfect timing. Like, that was just the universe telling me that it's time. So I want to go outside and read because it's a sunny day, and I just want to get outside and read on my Kindle. I'm 71% through Twisted Love right now, so I'm going to finish it today. Okay, so I had to come inside because I was so hungry, so I made lunch, as you saw, but now I want to give you guys the Target haul that I talked about earlier. So first of all, I have the outfit that I'm wearing now that you already saw. So it's this blue tank top with white outline, and then these dark denim super cute shorts. Recently, I've had to like go through my closet and get rid of like a majority of my clothes because I have had the same clothes for years and years, and I don't like that style of clothes that I used to wear. Like, I don't really like crop tops and stuff anymore. So I got rid of a lot of my old clothes, and now I like have like 2 shirts that I like rotate in between, so I like really need clothes. And I have like 1 pair of shorts, I have like 1 good pair of jeans. It's just I need some clothes. My sister and I went to Target and we got a bunch. So I got this pink I Heart Paris. I wore it the other day, so it's like dirty right now, it needs to be washed, but it's this I Heart Paris shirt. It's like cut on the sleeves, super cute, and it's so cute on, and I love this so much. I want to go back and like get different versions of it. And then I know that these are freaking massive, okay, but that's like the whole point. I got these big flowy white pants. I love flowy pants so much, especially for over the summer. I really wanted a white pair, and Target had these, so I'm super excited. I love them. And then this is probably one of the most exciting things that I got, because I have such a hard time finding skirts that fit me because I'm like super short, so they're always like either too long or just like too flowy. I don't know, they never look good on me. But I found this white tennis skirt, and it literally fits perfectly. and this is just so freaking cute, so I'm so excited to be able to wear this. And then I got another pair of denim shorts. They have like all these like pockets on them, but then there's like no pockets in the back. They're a little bit lighter than the ones I'm wearing now, but I just, like I said, I only have one pair of shorts besides these two pairs, so it's like I really needed shorts, and they just like these also fit so perfectly. And then I just got this tank top in another color because I really liked the way that it fit. So it's just this white with a black outline. So that's my little spring haul. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's nothing too crazy, but Target's really popping right now, and I'm now 81% through Twisted Love, and it's just, oh my god, it's getting harder and harder to get through because this store, it just keeps like, I don't know, I just feel like it's so all over the place. It's like supposed to be a romance, but it's not even romance. It's literally like more like murder mysteries on 2 accounts. I don't know, it just like, it doesn't make sense. Okay, so believe it or not, it's actually 10:15 in the morning, but it is so stormy outside right now that it looks like it's nighttime. I want to have like a full like spring cleaning right now because that's something that I did like at the very beginning of March, at the very beginning of spring, but now that it is the end of spring, I want to have like one last like big spring cleaning. So yesterday I put all of my sheets and stuff in the wash, so now they're done. So I'm gonna start out by like doing that, but I'm gonna clean my floors, I'm gonna clean my furniture, just straighten up a lot because it's just like, I just want like a clean aesthetic vibe.